What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been pretty quiet around here. For that, we do apologize, but things get busy and crazy, and this is not my full-time job. So with that said, let's get an update on Project TJ. Here we go. Oh my gosh, what have I done? So where to start? Well, we're tearing it apart. I guess I'll start here. So I ended up getting a GMRS radio. This is a Midland MXT 500. It's just mounted there in the center dash tray. Yeah, the wiring goes through the vents. I know it's probably not that great looking, but it works. And since this grid was all busted up anyway, I figured might as well just finish it off. So that was done, and the antenna for that actually mounts back here, but I have my taillight off, so the antenna mounts here. You can see this extra screw hole that I drilled here. And then I also added a CB radio, which is in there. That's a Uniden something or the other, and that antenna goes on this side over here. So CB and a GMRS radio. Nothing really else inside. Windshield frame is gone. Took that off. These windshield hinge screws came right out without any issue. I was completely in awe of that. I expected all kinds of a problem with that, and it came right out. I replaced the windshield wiper assembly. Super easy. 3 bolts, one there, one identical on the other side, and one right there in the middle. That came as a whole assembly, including the motor, and I believe I got that on Rock Auto. So very pleased with that. Under the hood, okay. So to start, I replaced all the emissions components, the filter box, the EGR filter, EGR pump, EGR leak detection pump, I think is what that's called. I did everything but vacuum lines, and that's because the elbows and fittings for the vacuum lines are a real pain in the butt to find. So I got to work on that yet. Let's see. Front end is all taken apart, the trim pieces, the bumpers off. I did the crankcase ventilation. That is a fully open one, and the one in the back has an orifice, which helps create vacuum. So make sure that you get the right ones. Oh, what else? I did the jeepcables.com Big 7 kit. Yeah, that's the Big 7 kit, and that has made a world of difference with everything. Fantastic, glad I bought it. So that's where we're at. Today's mission is we're going to cut out the rust and rot on the passenger side, and I got my old trusty Harbor Freight Chicago electric but it works. And let's see, you know, I don't buy expensive tools. I do everything by hand for the most part. I don't really use power tools a whole lot. That's just how I do me. So today what we're going to do on video, really lame, we're going to clean this stuff all up, all that dirt, grime. We're going to see how well that cleans up, and then we're going to cut that rust out. So yeah, stay tuned, let's do it. wanted to take a second and show you guys, I still have everything. There's the windshield frame and the windshield, the doors, the cowl, but I got a new hood. Definitely ordered a new hood. The other one was dented in, and I just thought it would be better to start clean with a new hood. But the only issue I've found is I can't find a spot where the clip goes for the hood prop. It should have been somewhere in there. There should be a square, but this one's a round. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about the hood prop. Do a little investigating on that. But yeah, new hood and the tailgate. So this tailgate, guys, I went and bought a new one because the other one was kind of dented and folded, and I didn't really want to try to fix it because it's really hard. So I did a new one, and let me turn you a little bit here. This Fishbone Off-Road spare tire delete vent cover, okay? These are designed for TJs that have the vents in the middle of, well, where you see the blue and the stickers. And that would frame out your vent and make it look a little nicer. Now my tailgate does not have vents in it. I have a 1999 TJ. There's no vents. So I got a piece of blue Lexan and I cut it, drilled it, and put it in behind the Fishbone piece. And then I threw some stickers on it just to give it some color and just something different. And I'll tell you guys, when it's on the Jeep, it does really look nice. I'm quite pleased with it. I think it was a good little project, kind of a DIY thing. Very pleased with the outcome of it, and it's unique. You know, I always like things with my vehicles to be unique. I want them to be differentiated from someone else. And that does it. I haven't seen another Jeep with something like that yet. So Anyway, that's it, guys. I'm starting to ramble. Let's cut this video. We'll see you guys at the next one. I'll try to make some more as I do things here with the Jeep, but really after the body work, it's going to be this black paint's going to go. Getting rid of the black, going with a different color, and we'll get that on video. So with that said, guys, I hope you are happy, healthy, and well. We'll see you guys at the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.